So actually I have no chair over here because I have come out of my home to make this video, and this is actually that nursery on which I have already made one vlogging video, if you may have seen. Alright, so my dear friends, in this video we will be talking about some of the vocabularies which are related to your and my age. There are a lot of good words which can define your age. Alright, see, there are a lot of people who do not admit their age, and I would love to say one thing for them: admit yourself. Whoever you are your own great. All right, so if somebody is calling me uncle and I'm actually an uncle, so I won't have any problem. But if I want to look like a boy, even though I am uncle, so that would be wrong. That goes wrong. It hurts you. So whosoever you are, admit yourself. And with this, let's start this video. The first sentence is act your age. It means don't be a child. Second, he is old enough to be my father. It means he is like my father. Third, you are old enough to know better. It means you are not that sensible to know these things. Next is he has an old head on young shoulders. It means he's not that elder, but still he maintains everything in a very good way. You are only young once. It means your youngerness comes only one. Enjoy the life. There is no fool like an old fool. It means if the older one commit mistake, then why wouldn't youngers? Look age. It means you look like your age. You don't look your age. Wow. It means whatever you are, you don't look like that. Grow into a young man. It means to grow up. Come of age. It means the age of 25 to 26. He has come of age. Aging. It means getting aged. You are aging. Passed in, to become old. I think I am passed in. Over the hill. It means to become old. Rahul Gandhi is over the hill. Senile. It means the guy who is very old and he has become cynic. My grandfather is getting senile. Get on well. To have good connection with somebody. I get on well with older people. Overage or overalls. It means the guys who have a lot of age. I can't marry her. She's overalls. Peer group. It means the person who works with you and his and your post is equal. I enjoy being with my peer group. Infant. It means the child who is between 0 to 2 years. My sister is taking care of my infants. Toddler. The child who has recently learned how to walk. He is a toddler. Adolescent means the child who is 13 to 19 years old. He is adolescent. Long lived. The people who live longer are called long lived. Most people in my village are long lived. Thank you so much for learning these vocabularies.